Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
What's going on, guys?
Hi.
Hello. Hi. We're doing another family day today. We're taking the ferry from Bremerton to Seattle and we'll bring you guys with us.
Yep.
Are you excited? We're on our first ferry. Walking up the stairs. Yeah. You tell everyone how excited you are? You love the water. You can see the water, huh? Yeah. Everyone else took the elevator except for us and for Tin.
What do you think, baby girl?
Yeah. She absolutely loves the water and is loving this. She's like so fascinated by everything.
Just staring at her, looking at everything.
We're on a ferry and I'm gonna go fishing. Oh, I got one. I got a big one. Oh God.
We should know that one back.
Alright. Got lost a little bit, but we found the rest of the family.
We started looking for you
I saw
guys.
you guys and ran away.
So right now we are on the ship, and right now it's really good. And
Her sock fell off.
His
Oh,
sock.
stinky feet.
Her sock. We got Ferry.
Oh, thank you,
We gotta go
Sissy.
get some new socks.
Oh,
We gotta go down by the Nike store, something. What is this?
Well, before her feet were too small, so we couldn't put them on, and now they're too big and they won't stay on.
Okay, now she's like, I don't want to, I want
I'm
to.
not even sure if you guys can hear anything because there's so much noise.
Way too much wind noise, too.
But we are slowly getting closer to Seattle. I'll have to show you guys the skyline. You can see the Space Needle from here finally. Alright, we're coming up onto the port and we're almost done with our first ferry trip.
Yep, we're
I'm a
almost
mess.
there.
I had to take my eyelashes off because the wind was so intense. But she absolutely loves it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we come back home again, we'll have to take another ferry trip when she's bigger.
She's there.
I unfortunately didn't get all of the footage.
There we go.
But godparents of the year. They're changing her in her car seat because she's getting fussy and we're getting ready to leave the ferry.
Did you get this out already?
we need to take her out.
No, she's good.
I don't know if it's on all the way.
Hey, we don't know if it's on all the way. It's on. Did you latch it?
Yeah, I latched it.
Yeah, dude, she's good.
My poor baby.
Yeah, she's good. Hey, mama. Pick you up. Okay, now strap her all back in.
Sorry. Hello. Hi. Do we need to put our pants back on?
No.
We can put her pants on later.
Never mind.
Are you ready for your Seattle day? Nice and sunny? Protecting your eyeballs? Yeah. Such a cool girl.
Don't get too much vitamin.
What's up, y'all? So currently we is at the Alki beach. What it do, what it is, what it does in the in the video. Oh. Okay, so I walk by myself because ain't nobody wanna walk with me because they don't know me like they said they do. But that's alright though. Your boy is going to but you get a bucket of right there. Hell yeah. Chee-hoo.
Okay, Mama, you ready to rent some bikes and ride it around the beach? Yeah, you ready?
Right.
Are you so excited?
So just a few safety things to go over with you guys before we get going. This
going to be the only working steering wheel on the bike.
Okay.
This one right here is our wheel of fun. All it does is spin around, so your only real responsibility for the functionality of the bike is to just pedal.
Okay.
It's going to be your brake right here, so up against the
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Family bike trip.
First time on a bike, baby. Look at you.
She loves playing with the little steering wheel.
Yeah, let's see.
It's a fake steering wheel. Oh my gosh. You're kicking me. So look everybody, I control the bike with my feet. Beep beep. She's too busy playing with the steering wheel.
I know. She's so stinking cute.
It's like, look Mom, no hands. We're moving, baby.
All right.
Look at her, she's like, I don't know about this, Dad. Yeah. Go, Daddy, go.
We gotta wait for them.
Oh, gotta wait for the rest of the crew. You having fun, Mama? She's like, this is kind of weird.
You don't pedal, baby?
Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I thought my steering wheel was actually gonna do something. Yeah.
Baby, get it from behind, look.
Come on, slowpokes! They are on the struggle bus. Go, Dada, go!
Oh, these bikers.
I feel like my pedaling isn't even doing anything. Babe, I don't think my pedaling is actually making the bike
It
go.
is, because I'm going super fast.
No, like I'm
Go.
pedaling it and it doesn't feel like nothing.
Go faster.
I'm pedaling it, look.
Nothing?
Nothing. I think it's all you.
Oh, hell no.
Woo!
Not today.
Not today, Sharps. Ain't that catching up to us, Willow? Oh my gosh, we're going too fast. Too fast. Look at Dada.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, they're catching up. They're catching up. What you gonna do?
That's it. Oh.
Daddy is a speed demon. So unfortunately, our battery is dying. We'll try to vlog as much as we can until our battery does die. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss more videos. Say
right,
bye,
bye,
Daddy.
guys.
Bye, Willow.